Doggy-Style S-x Position Guide, 6 Tips for Doggy-Style Sex. Learn how to make the Doggy-Style S-x Position work for you. What is the Doggy-Style S-x Position? The doggy style is a sexual position where one partner assumes an all-fours position, with hands and knees, or elbows, on the surface. The other partner can kneel behind and use their hands to grip onto the hips of the partner in the all-fours position. This particular posture is well suited for both anal and vaginal penetration, whether with a penis, strap-on, finger, or any other sexual device. 6 Tips for Doggy-Style Sex. Use these techniques to turn doggy style into your new favorite sex position. 1. Prepare for deep penetration. In the realm of penetrative vaginal or anal intercourse, the doggy-style position facilitates deeper penetration. In the case of vaginal penetration, this position minimizes the distance between the vaginal opening and the cervix, heightening the potential for your partner to come into contact with this sensitive area. If such contact is uncomfortable, consider slowing the pace, moderating the depth of penetration, or altering the angle. Additionally, using a cock ring or a similar toy can serve as a barrier, preventing the penis or toy from penetrating too deeply. 2. Use props. Utilizing pillows, cushions, or other supportive props under your joints can aid in relaxation, reduce the risk of injury, and assist in finding the ideal position. Investing time in proper setup enhances the overall enjoyment of the experience. 3. Add sex toys. The doggy-style position offers an excellent opportunity for incorporating sex toys into your intimate experience. Experiment with penetration using a strap-on, dildo, or vibrator, and remember to explore other erogenous zones. Due to the positioning in doggy style, accessing your partner's nipples or clitoris might be a bit challenging, but using nipple clamps or a wand-style vibrator can provide assistance. 4. Keep it clean. A notable benefit of engaging in doggy-style sex is the accessibility of the anus. Maintaining cleanliness is crucial when involved in anal play, as bacteria from feces can potentially transfer to the genitals. To mitigate the risk of infection, it is advisable to shower or use a bidet both before and after sexual activity. Additionally, diligently clean dildos and other toys after each use. Employing condoms is another effective measure to prevent sexually transmitted infections. Ensure a new condom is used each time you transition between partners, orifices, or if there is a break or slippage. 5. Try oral sex. While doggy style is commonly associated with penetrative intercourse, it is also an excellent position for performing cunnilingus and anal rimming. If you are new to anal rimming, start by applying lubrication to your partner's anus, ensuring proper hygiene, and then stimulate with your tongue. 6. Try downward doggy style. For yoga enthusiasts, explore a variation of the doggy style position. The partner receiving starts on all fours in the traditional doggy style, then raises their knees off the ground, forming an inverted V shape. Bending the knees is perfectly fine. The partner in the giving role can stand and use their penis, strap-on, fingers, or preferred toy for penetration. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.